Now the weather. It's gonna get dry day with spells of sunshine. Alright, quiet on the set.
Camera speed.
Sound production, take 1.
Roll sound.
Rolling.
Sound production, take 2.
Action!
Oh, hi. So we're doing this Boundless. This is actually my 100th take. But let's just do this because I'm an introvert and who cares. Yeah, we're vloggers. Welcome to our channel. And I'm not going to do this again because I am sick of retaking this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. Gift shop. We're gonna go straight to the museum though because it's too expensive. So we're currently in the museum right now, and so far it's beautiful. It gets us away from the rain, and we'll have a look around. Let's go.
The same mistakes to be part of something real.
We just recorded a whole video and we just realized it wasn't recording. Anyway, let's go.
So, as the captain of the submarine, I promoted her as your navigator. She's gonna use
Aye, Captain.
the telescope.
I'm gonna be needing that. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Can you tell we're better with no people than with people in public? Like this is what we're like when there's no people, and this is what we're like when there's other people.
Straight in the dockyard instead of Plymouth. Dockyard out to college. You know, used to go.
Navigator, what do you see?
I see a ship. I think I'm gonna shoot it.
No, you need to say launch the torpedoes.
Oh. Launch to the ow! Torpedoes.
We are asking for
look at this, it's like a studio. On the way.
Oh, good evening. This is news from Southwest in 1960. Who needs? The Tower Bridge is officially opened by the Queen Mother, and the bridge has taken over 2 years to build the city of Plymouth. Cornwall Country Council sharing the cost of the project. Yeah. Music fans gave it on Plymouth Hope to catch a glimpse of the Beatles. And failed artists. You know, I think we're going to get quiet for this one. Testing? Okay. Cornwall's oldest sport is enjoying the river with the locals keeping visit. It's Cornwall's freshman match. Now for the weather. It's going to get dry day with spells of sunshine. And it'll become cloudy further southwest and easterly winds evenings. Yeah. Maximum temperature 11 to 12 degrees. Now I just heard them getting quiet, so let's go.
Slow down, hold on, take a breath. If I could, I'd make me feel less. Something in my brain causes stress. So come and make me feel different.
Bugs? Telephone. It's so British.
And I don't need to tell you facts. You
Look
know
at that, guys.
I always want you back.
We left the thing and she put the thing backwards.
What?
The sweater turned around.
Yeah!
I'll save you a slice. Baby, it's time to slide. Do you wanna try?
Hope it's not closed.
So how much were the tickets?
£22.50 each. £22,
A whole
£22.50
£45. Oh my gosh.
for the tickets.
Let's hope this is worth it.
Well, I remember it was like 10 quid before. It's gone
Yeah.
double.
Yeah. For the video.
Well, let's see if it's worth it.
So we're in the Plymouth Aquarium right now and let's have a look.
What you do to me is in confliction, a straight contradiction with my mind. Guilty pleasure has a bitter taste. In the end, my friend, are you sure you wanna fight?
Like basically any nasties that can hurt our animals, it's really important that we filter this water because this water, basically whenever we have anything wrong, it builds up quickly, it concentrates very fast. So we are constantly filtering and taking care of the water that comes into this tank.
Oh my god.
We find ourselves starting from scratch, brick by brick. No path carved out for us now. The brush is thick. All I'm asking now, don't give up on love.
So we've just finished going to the aquarium It was really fun. Oh, hello. Woo. This is so good. The gingerbread latte drives through my nose.